It's interesting to see people who work for you, work with you maybe 2 years ago, and or whatever. They're like, well, why are we doing it like this? Now you have this automated payroll system that does it automatically and stuff. Why are we doing it like this? Because back 3 years ago, I was like, because I've outgrown that. I'm not that person anymore. I used to be that person. I've learned. Now we do it this way, and this is the way we're going to do it. I don't care the way I did it 3 years ago. This is the way we do it now for a reason. So step up. Just because you worked with us for 2, 3, 4, or 5 years, we're doing it differently this year. And I don't care. This is the way we do it now for a reason. It's because we've dedicated our life to this, and all we do is study this and what's the best way to do it and what's the best practice to do it. And I'm not saying that I'm the most experienced person or the most knowledgeable person in the world, but I'm probably more knowledgeable than someone who doesn't do it. Or if you haven't done it since 2020, or if you haven't done it in the last 4 years, and there's been a lot of stuff from coronavirus, from the shipping containers are more expensive to the competition right now is crazy. And the workforce and immigration right now was a big one last year as far as workers and people scared to work. There's a lot of experiences, a lot of hurdles that each and every season is presented to you that someone who's not actually actively installing lights and has that experience, you just get out of touch real quick in this industry. Even if you've done it last year, it takes you a little bit to kind of get back in the groove, like double dutch, where the two jump ropes and you're trying to time it. How you going to jump in there? It's like that. It's like, it takes you a while to get in there. But if you haven't done it for 2, 3, 4 years, I guess it's like riding a bike, but I definitely wouldn't call myself an expert. Right, Laura?
Yeah.
Yeah. So anyway, I don't know. That had to be said. You know what I mean? But
yes.